Recently, I got this question from English learners. What is the difference between good at and good with? While they both express ability, they are used differently. Today, we are clearing up confusion between these two expressions. Hey everyone, welcome back if you've already subscribed or follow me, and welcome if you're new here. First up, let's break down meanings in our examples. He is good at computers, so he decided to study IT in college. This means that he has a broad knowledge of computer systems, software, and possibly programming. Therefore, he is likely to get a good grade in computer subjects. He is good with computers, so he can set up your printer. This suggests that he is comfortable solving common everyday computer problems even if he is not a technical expert. Now let's do another comparison. She is good at tennis. This sentence suggests that she is a talented player with a strong grasp of the sport skills and strategy. She is good with a tennis racket. This means that she can handle the racket well, but it doesn't necessarily mean she is a great tennis player. Here are a few simple tips. Use good at when you would like to express that a person has a high level of knowledge or skill in a specific task or academic subject, and the ability to perform an action well. Use good with when you would like to express someone has the ability to handle or manage something well, whether it is a person, a tool, or a concept. In short, both expressions indicate ability, but good with suggests a hands-on or a practical application, whereas good at expresses knowledge or skill. I hope this explanation helps. Try making your own example using good at and good with in the comments. Let me know what topics you would like me to cover next. Take care and see you soon.